All right, we also, as I mentioned, we've got 7 companies going public this week. A big name, Zillow, not a big IPO, but a lot of buzz around it. Another, internet name.
Yes.
HomeAway is up 53%, so I think there's going to be a lot of interest in that. There's China Xunlei, that's another Chinese internet stock also going public, and 300 companies reporting earnings. Busy
so
week.
really there's nothing to do. Go on vacation because there's no action here. Just know with these earnings and also new issues, there's an art to getting involved with them early. New issues we talk about, let them open for the first hour, develop a pivot point. If they get above that pivot point, you can get long and use that as your stop. But as an investment, you better wait 6-7 weeks for the base to develop. I want to just quickly show you LinkedIn, which has been unbelievable, about just to show you how dangerous it could be, LNKD, if you get involved in wrong. Here is the first 2 days of excitement. If you bought on this excitement, you think you held it all the way down to 60? No. But if you waited for a nice pattern to develop here, where you saw this nice calculated descending channel for LinkedIn, you could have got your entry right here around 72-ish without taking the pain of 120 down to 60. You don't have to buy the low. You buy here, and now look where it is. We're almost at 110. I'm actually watching this today for a negative to positive move. If it gets above 110.50, I think you can get a nice trade, for today for cash flow.
All right, Scott, sounds like there is a lot to keep our eyes on this week.
Yes, and especially with the earnings that are coming out with Apple, Netflix, Amazon, you name it, they're coming out. Google came out on Friday, woke that stock up. I think you watched Google also. There's a nice little range here. 588 you could trade against. That was the low on Friday. 600 something is like the high. If it hangs out here, that'll be a nice pattern to add. And if it can start to make new highs, it'll give some conviction to some of these bigger cap tech names. So you don't want to be short these things going in, because if you were short going into Google because they'd be like Google's doing nothing, you got crushed. So you better do your homework and know what's going on with the price action.
All right, do your homework with T3, right?
Yes, and follow us on the chat room, look at the virtual trade floor, tune in for the recap, and more importantly, stay safe, prudent, and have a good day trading.